Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the essentials so the update process has a clean environment. First, check the launcher's repair or verify file option to fix corrupted files. This often stops perpetual checking for update loops. Once done, make sure your network is stable. Use wired over Wi-Fi if possible, and close bandwidth-heavy apps. Also, disable VPNs, proxies, and temporarily turn off antivirus shields. These can block update validation. You're setting conditions that let the update handshake complete correctly. Next, clear the caches that often trap stale update metadata. You'll delete the game and launcher temporary folders. This forces a fresh check. Then flush your DNS cache or switch to a reliable resolver like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 so domain lookups for update servers succeed. After that, run the launcher as administrator to ensure file writes aren't blocked. Watch its log output for codes or messages that point to the real failure. These steps remove inconsistent state and reveal the actual issue. For final resolution, apply any available manual patch files or re-download the official launcher to replace possibly corrupted update modules. If those options don't work, uninstall only the game client. Keep saves if prompted and reinstall. This is a last resort but often fixes persistent update checks. If problems persist after reinstall, collect launcher and system logs, note steps you tried, and contact official support with that information. As a tip, include timestamps and error lines to speed diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.